exponents and powers. Before we go to this exponents and powers, let us understand let us have an introduction. You have learned in the lower classes also. You know that mass of the earth this is this much kg. 5970000 like that, this much kg. It is very difficult to read this number. So in such cases we express this in short form, that is we can write 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg into 10 to the power 24 kg. So this we write the same in exponential form like this, then it is easy. 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg, this is the mass of the earth. If you write like this, then it is very difficult. Okay, writing this a number, it is called as in exponential form. 10 to the power, 10 raised to the power 24. Here, 10 raised to the power 24, this number, here this is the base. 10 is called as a base, and this one 24 is called as exponent. We call this as exponent, and this is a base. With the base 10 and exponent, we say 10 raised to the power 24. How we say 10 raised to the power 10 raised to the power 24. So this is the way of reading. 10 raised to the power 24. So this number we can write like this, 10 raised to the power 24. So writing this in the form, this type, it is called as writing the numbers in this form, it is called as exponential form of writing the numbers. It is easy to read and it is easy to calculate also. Calculate some questions. Calculation purpose, it is very easy. Now let us see the powers with the negative exponents. So you can see the powers with the negative exponents. Negative exponents. For this, let me take one number, 10 raised to the power 3. You can write it as 10 into 10 into 10, isn't it? 10 into 10 into 10. Then 10 to the power 2 is nothing but, what you can write it, 10 to the power 2 here, 10 into 10. How you will get this 10 to the power 2? See, what is the difference between 10 raised to the power 3 and 10 raised to the power 2? Here if you divide 10 raised to the power 3 by 10, you will get this one. 10 raised to the power, see 10 into 10 into 10, this is 1000 divided by 10. It gives you 10 to the power 2 also. 1000 divided by 10. So now 10 raised to the power 1 means this previous number, 10 raised to the power 2, should be divided by 10. So this is same as, I can write this is equal to 100 divided by 10. This 10 raised to the power 2, it is 100. Previous number we are dividing it by 10. So this number divided by 10, it gives you 10 to the power 2. And this number divided by 10 gives you 10 to the power 1. So then to get a 10 to the power 0, then this 10 to the power 1, it is nothing but a 10. 10 to the power 1 is nothing but 10. That 10 should be divided by, so it is equal to 1, 10 should be divided by 10. It is same as 1. So to get the next number, what is this next one? So you have to divide it further now. So we continue this one. So 3, 2, 1, 0. It is going in a decreasing order. So what will be the next number? Less than this 0. 3. Then minus 1. It should be minus 1. See 3, 2, 1, 0. Then we must get minus 1. Then how you are going to get? See, every time we are dividing the previous number. To get 10 to the power 2, we divided 1000 by 10. To get 10 to the power 1, we divided 100 by 10. To get 10 to the power 0, we divided 10 by 10. To get 10 to the power minus 1, we should divide 1 by 10. So this must be equal to 10, 1 by 10. Similarly, you want to divide 10 to the power minus 2, you want means 10 to the power minus 2. Divide this by 10 again. 1 by 10 divided by 10, it is nothing but 1 by 100. 1 by 100. Okay, 1 by 100. It is same as 1 by 10 to the power 2. 1 by 10 to the power 2. So it is 1 by 10 to the power 1. Okay, so that means you understood here 10 to the power minus 3 can be written as 1 divided by 10 to the power plus 3. 10 to the power minus 4 can be written as 1 divided by 10 to the power plus 4. So this is how you can write. In general, you can write a to the power minus n means 1 divided by a to the power plus n. So this is a formula with a negative exponent. When you have a negative exponent, you can write like this in the denominator with a positive exponent. 1 divided by a to the power n. So this is the meaning of that one. Plus, we have learned how to expand the numbers. So let us take two numbers. I will take first 1425. Let me take this 1425. Expand this using powers of 10 now. So this can be written as 1 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. So this I will write here 1 into 10 raised to the power 3, 4 into 10 raised to the power 2 plus 2 into 10 raised to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 raised to the power 0. Okay, this is called as expanded form of that number. Suppose if I take a number like this 1425.36, this is the number. The same way we can do this 1 into 1000, okay, 1 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1, then plus 3 into, what is that you can write? 3 into 1 by 10, 3 into 1 by 10 plus 6 into 1 by 100. So in exponential form, 1 into 10 raised to the power 3, 4 into 10 raised to the power 2, 2 into 10 raised to the power 1, 5 into 1 means you can write 10 raised to the power 0, then 3 into this 1 by 10 to the power minus 1 you can write. 6 into 10 to the power minus 2. 10 square. 100 can be written as 10 square. Then take to the numerator, it becomes negative number. So we are using the negative exponents here. To represent the decimal part here, we are using the negative exponents there. Laws of exponents now. So as you studied this laws of exponents in the lower class also, that is for only natural numbers you have learned. Laws of exponents in the lower classes you have learned. First one, you know that a to the power m into a to the power n means a to the power m plus n. This is applicable for even negative numbers also. The second one here, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. A to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Third one, you can use this one. A to the power m whole to the power n, you can write it as a to the power mn. Multiply this one. A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Then a to the power m and b to the power m. A to the power m into b to the power m. Powers are same, exponents are same. ab to the power m. Bases are different and the powers, exponents are same. Then you can write whole raised to the power m here. Then fifth one. So you have learned this. Again same way. A to the power m by b to the power m. Exponents same. A by b whole to the power m. Then one more now. A to the power 0. So sixth one. A to the power 0 is equal to 1. So these are all the laws of exponents. So now what we just learned, so that a to the power minus n means 1 divided by a to the power plus n. So you can use this also as a law of exponents now. So you should remember all these formula. Now let us work out some of the questions based on this formula now, laws of exponents now. One example question, first one. Let's look at this. Find the value of first question. It is 2 to the power minus 3. 2 to the power minus 3. And the second question here, 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 2. 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 2. These two values we should find out. First question now, 2 to the power minus 3. Use that law, negative exponent. So you can bring this to the denominator, 1 divided by 2 to the power plus 3. So 1 divided by 2 to the power plus 3 means 1 divided by 8. So this is its value. 2 to the power plus 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. It is 8. So you can write 8 in the denominator. Second question here, 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 2. So it is in the denominator. So once you take that one to the numerator, it becomes positive. So it becomes 3 to the power plus 2. So same thing. So the negative exponent formula only. So 3 to the power plus 2. 3 to the power plus 2 means 3 into 3 square means it is 3 into 3. 9. So it is 9. This question now. We have two questions. First one, let us solve this one. Minus 4 all to the power 5 into minus 4 all to the power minus 10. Base. Here both the cases bases are same. So you can use the formula a to the power m into a to the power n. A to the power m plus n. So now therefore minus 4 all to the power 5 into minus 4 all to the power minus 10. You can add this power. So minus 4 all to the power m plus n. That means minus, so plus 5 plus of minus 10 means again it becomes minus 10 only. So that becomes minus 4 all to the power minus 5. So minus 5, minus 4 all to the power minus 5 means you can bring this one to the denominator, negative exponent. So it becomes 1 divided by minus 4 all to the power 5. This is the solution here. Minus 4, 1 divided by minus 4 all to the power 5. The second question now, minus 4 all to the power, second one here, 2 to the power 5 into, divided by 2 to the power minus 6, divided by 2 to the power minus 6. You have the law of exponents, both are same. So the bases are same. Once the bases are same, use this law. A to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Isn't it? So now, as per this law, 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power minus 6. When you take this one minus 6 to the numerator, it becomes plus 6. 2 to the power 5 plus 6. Okay. So now minus 6 becomes plus 6. So it is 2 to the power 11.
2 to the power 11.
Question. Express 4 to the power minus 3 as a power with the base 2. So you take the base here 4. So now I have to convert that base into as 2. 4 should be converted to 2. Let me explain express this 4 as 2 into 2.
2 into 2.
That can be written as 2 to the power 2. So therefore I will write 4 to the power minus 3. So in place of 4, I will write here 2 to the power 2 all to the power minus 3. So this 4 I change it to 2 to the power 2. This 3 minus 3 I have written as it is. So now there is a law, a to the power m all to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So now I will write here as per this 2 to the power 2 all to the power minus 3 can be written as 2 to the power 2 into minus 3. So that is 2 to the power minus 6.
2 to the power minus 6.
So negative exponent, you can write this as 1 divided by 2 to the power plus 6. 2 to the power plus 6. Or just you can write 2 to the power minus 6. This is also enough. This question, simplify and write the answer in the exponential form. First let us simplify this one. So inside this we have like this. 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 8 all to the power 5. Then outside 2 to the power minus 5. So you have the identity a to the power m divided by a to the law, you have the law a to the power m minus n. So now it becomes 2 to the power 5 minus 8 all to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 5. Okay. 8 will go to the numerator with minus sign. So now this is 2 to the power minus 3 all to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 5. Again we have one more law, a to the power m all to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. You can apply here. So 2 to the power minus 3 into 5 into 2 to the power minus 5. Okay. Now this will become 2 to the power minus 15 2 to the power minus 15 into, what is that, 2 to the power minus 1. 2 to the power minus 1. Again we can apply one more law. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Add the powers. So 2 to the power minus